Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm round in the corner. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
On to the bedside. So I am going to go ahead and start cutting this bedside and the wheelhouse pieces all out. I have this one all fit together. I went ahead and fit the tailgate to make sure my gaps look good. Bedside's fitting on here nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift it back off and go ahead and get glue laid out on it and get this bedside rivet bonded on.